Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment, going to talk to you today about the difference between experimental cinema and that of narratives. Experimental cinema has no talking on the high average traditionally. Such as you have a film by the late famous Jonas Mekas where he would always put poetry over it as a voiceover. That's just fine. Or other experimental filmmakers have had music or some type of special sound effects. This is what separates cinema from true life and makes it an avant-garde experimental film. Narratives is when people are talking through the entire or majority part of the film, which is not traditionally an experimental film unless you have a voiceover on there. Here again with the poetry and the sound effects, things like that. That is the big difference. So, again, experimental cinema will have voiceovers with poetry, sound effects, and this is what separates us from cinema to the true life, making it entertaining, interesting, and an experimental part of cinema. All right? Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Thanks a lot. See ya.